Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Fashioniksha. Trace the sleeve block or you can take the ready sleeve block. From the top of the sleeves, mark a sleeve length that is 3.5 inches, and from the arm side mark 3/4 inches down and draw a guideline at the bottom of the sleeves and draw a smooth curved line by joining both the points. And now mention the terminologies grain line and on fold and cut the pattern accordingly. This completes the cap sleeve pattern. Now place the pattern on fold of the fabric and mark accordingly. It's ideal to use a water soluble marker or a wax chalk to mark on the fabric. Once after marking, leave a seam allowances that is 3/8 inches at the bottom. This is an ideal enough to finish the sleeve bottom in a binding technique. And at the side seam, mark 1/2 inches. This can be increased based on the requirements. And on the top of the sleeves, mark 1/2 inches. 1/2 inches is sufficient enough to stitch or attach to a garment. And now you can use the same pattern to draw the mark which you left, that is a seam allowance line. So this gives an accurate curve when you are drawing rather than drawing it in a free hand. Now cut accordingly and make a bias strip that is 1.25 inches width and a length according to the requirements. Now place a bias strip on top of the sleeves and start stitching. So while attaching it, so make sure to stitch on the exact space which you left, the 3/8 inches. And at the time of finishing, fold the bias strip and finish. So this gives a accuracy once you finish the binding technique for the sleeves. Now turn the strip to the reverse side. So while turning, you can use the fingernails to give a finish. It's better to use iron than using your fingernails. Now you can see the finishing, how it has come. So after pressing it, now double fold the strip and do the edge stitch. So make sure to do the edge stitches on the edge or a proper space from the edge of the sleeves. And once after finishing the attachment, make sure to trim neatly on both the edges. This completes a cap sleeves, and this is how it looks after finishing, and it's ready to attach to your body. This is how it looks when you attach to a garment. Thank you.